good afternoon to Warwick Castle. So I'm filming at Warwick Castle now, and some good news as well for the channel. I've got now ad revenue, so I got monetization on now, meaning I can make a bit of money from making my videos, which is a good thing because that means you get more future content for me, and also to, you know, do anything. Anyway, I'm at Warwick Castle in Castle. I don't know what regional place it's from, but it's probably around near Birmingham. It is. But anyway, let's have a look inside. So this is the Warwick Castle area, and is. If you don't know where Warwick Castle is, it's in the area of Warwick. Like I say, it's just around Birmingham. It's been around for like, I don't know, centuries now, hundreds of years. It's part of the history though, this place. Okay. This is the big field here. Alright. I think it might be down there. Alright.
Depends how quickly you fire the arrows, just obvious the back.
No, was it not that hook there?
To man for hundreds of years. With their heart-shaped face, they gather sounds and wait. But those small creatures that hide in the long grass should take heed and beware the silence. Beware the long legs. Beware. Hobby saw a most splendid sight. It was the largest bird in the land, a white-tailed sea eagle. Hobby had seen nothing like it before. He was so excited to see it in full flight, with its massive, long, broad wings. By its presence and power. Blazing yellow beak and talons. Eagle owl seemed friendly enough, especially when it was food. With its distinctive eyes and pointed tufts of feather upon its head, Hobby was in awe. No ordinary falcon. This is the falcon that royalty will bow down to. It is the falcon of princes. The falcon and the ages mysterious. The young males will hunt, working together to flush prey. Then they feast. Ladies first, of course. Legend said this was the largest bird of prey in the world. We knew this to be true. Bird conveyed power and freedom. A dominant and forceful bird that will face agile, brave, magnificent. The Falconer's Quest. As you look into the sky, let your imagination soar.
It's good. Alright, done Castle Dungeon. It's great. It is. Anyway, just gonna have a bit of a look around, see what's going on. Castle Dungeon, pretty good. 8 out of 10. Right, pretty good. Just had a look inside. Pretty good historic things around. Anyway, I think we're gonna probably go up there, let's see. Anyway, yeah, let's have a look about, see what's going on. I don't know if we're going up or something. You'll see in the next clip if we are. If we're not, we'll probably be somewhere.
Yeah, of course I am. Oh no, that was really big. I touched it!
Fish and chip shop over there. Right, we're at the javelin match. I'm gonna get some shots of the both side javelin and see if we can actually hear if they collide with each other. Like javelin, where you just like type of swords, but just knock you onto the floor. I'm gonna try and get some shots of it. So let's see if I can do that anyway.
Stand before me, the Earl of Warwick! The year is 1455, and our country is on the brink of civil war. The current king, Henry VI, from the powerful house of Lancaster!
Yeah, come on, Lancaster!
Woo! The king is slowly losing his mind to madness. And House of York! York looks to seize the crown for themselves.
House York, I see you stand under the white rose. And that means your battle cry is White Rose. Let me hear you. White Rose! White Rose!
You could do better!
White Rose! Come on, House York.
Lancaster, you stand under the red.
What do you want?
His earlship is becoming impatient with your voice.
Now we must let the others have a go. Come on, pipe down.
House of York, give me a cheer!
Lancastrian!
House of York, cheer if you would steal their best horses!
House of Lancaster, cheer if you would follow your warrior queen!
House of York, cheer if you would follow our ferocious leader!
The louder you cheer, the more soldiers you will have on your side. Let me hear you.
Come on,
Yeah! Port 2. The White Rose and the House of York. The White and the Red Rose are about to collide, so ready your weapons. And the battle commence!
for the White Knights! House of Lancaster, a cheer for your champion! About the war, I was proud to fight for House Lancaster! Why? Well, because I was a nobody. But when King Henry VI went mad, for me, everything changed. It is now up to our queen to lead us as the House of York looks to take the throne. I was the illegitimate grandson of a servant, but now I'm part of something big. A cheer for the House of Lancaster! A cheer for the House of York! Yorkists,
show your disdain to this imposter queen.
House of Lancaster, show no fear to these Yorkists.
Duke of Gloucester, and I come to you in this dire time. The White Rose in the House of York needs your support. My father, he was brutally slain on the orders of that Lancastrian harlot.
So York, it is now time to join my father, Edward, this man in white, head of the Yorkists. Father wants to become king and secure peace for the kingdom. I was terrified. Father was going to take it or die trying. He's pig-headed that way. But to fight, both Margaret and Edwin needed troops. Lots and lots of troops.
Let each of these 6 rings represent one of England's most noble houses. Whoever gathers the more rings will have more soldiers on their side.
Yes!
One for the House of Lancaster.
Right through, Lord Stanley!
And 2 for the House of York. Then they moved the undecided ones. Men who didn't lose.
White Rose! Louder! The louder you cheer, the faster they go! Right for the honor of your houses!
Go, my queen!
King for the White Rose!
Bravo! For the House of York!
Yes!
And 2 for the House of Lancaster. The Queen prepares to rise. But what?
True!
The last crowns are gathered in favor of the Lancastrians. The battle is called Towton.
Everyone was nervous. 5,000 men.
But behind Margaret, 30,000.
Huzzah! On Margaret's signal, our bowmen drew their arrows.
Be careful, me. What? Take cover!
But the wind was against us. Our volley fell short.
Next, our bowmen step forward. They draw. A release!
Take cover, my queen!
Thank you, Lord. Father is in luck. The wind is on our side. And as our arrows rain down, Margaret must charge early. Oof. They say the sounds of Towton.
My queen for the...
Lances splintering everywhere.
The thrust of daggers ripping through chainmail gaps.
The fight was desperate, bloody, and exhausting.
In the midst of battle, Margaret is told a message has arrived.
No! It cannot be! Edward has called for reinforcements! Fresh troops are near their palace! What are you waiting for?
That day, my brother ordered that no quarters were to be given. We killed so many Lancastrians. But the rivers, well, they ran red with blood. But the crown was not red, no. The crown was white. We have won! Huzzah! Long live King Edward! Long live King Edward! Long live King Edward! My people, show your devotion to the true king, the rightful ruler of this great, great land. Let us have 3 cheers for the king. Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Oh, I am happy for you, dearest brother. Truly. From this moment, we can bring England into a new age, one free from war, and where our people can flourish. Oh, what sweet a thing it is to wear a crown. Mark my words, brother.
I will not find satisfaction until I see my shadow in the sun. I will not find my purpose until the people of this nation are chanting my name. But hush, no more.
And Lady Woodville is the wife that you would have chosen for him, What, that commoner? That is what's best for our country.
Best for our country or best for you?
Obviously me. That was an arrangement made,
Enough,
young
Warwick!
man.
Watch your tongue! Warwick, Lady Woodville is now our queen. Remember that.
Your queen, perhaps. Certainly not mine. Henry!
My lord?
Send word immediately. Margaret has my full support.
And so the Earl of Warwick changed sides!
Huzzah!
Behind the king's back, he gathers money and troops, and he begged Margaret to return.
She arrives without fanfare.
Traitor!
Come here, you traitor!
In the Warwick Castle!
Stay still!
Fight your way through!
Somerset
Bravo, Somerset!
Now, my queen, the Yorkists are weak. Now is the chance to strike.
For the Red Rose!
Red Rose!
Red Rose! Red Rose!
Watch as your house burns and flames.
Lord Stanley!
Stanley! Crown for the true queen, my lady.
And I learned something that day. A king can have no friends and trust no one.
My good people of House Lancaster, we have seized the crown!
Huzzah!
He may have lost the crown, but this war is far from over, and House of York will rise again. Let me hear your cries for the House of York. White!
15,000 soldiers by my side.
Thank you, Warwick. I watch my family get ready. They put on their heavy arms, close the visors on their helms, and if they are lucky, they get a horse.
We march to Barnet! Charge! Yeah! Out of my way, fool! That all you've got, Master? I'll take you on that! Come on!
Yes, my queen! Protect yourself! Please!
Come here, fool boy!
In the confusion of battle, many men are slain!
Stanley! What are you doing?
Show him what we do to traitors! The Earl of Warwick tries to flee, but he's killed in the camp! We have now just 6,000 fighters!
Save them! Our riders going early!
Cavalry charge to Tewkesbury! For the White Rose!
In the middle of the chaos, my father makes a choice. He orders his troops to circle around and attack Margaret's left flank.
No! Lord Somerset, look out!
Margaret's commanders flee! She should run too, but will she?
House of Lancaster, our queen needs your support! Let me hear you for the Red Rose! Red Rose! No!
We kill Margaret's husband.
We kill her child!
We send her into exile.
I curse you, Edward of York. May you die in pain, and may your sons die in pain, and may they
never reach the front. Enough, it's over.
Please!
Take her
I
away.
beg you!
My son,
Get up.
I did enough for him. There's nothing
Oh,
left.
harlot, you're over.
Margaret!
Nothing left.
Margaret! Margaret! With the death of the Earl of Warwick at Barnet, and when Margaret loses, numbness overtakes my grief. My father died in these wars, and afterwards my guardians too. Oh, it is peace.
And for 11 blissful years, we have peace.
We have peace!
Long live King Edward. Long live King Edward. Long live King Edward.
So too did Edward's health. And then Edward IV, King of England, died.
Bring the princes to me.
Uncle Richard? Uncle Richard? Uncle Richard!
What, child?
Why are you wearing my father's crown?
Oh, my child, haven't you heard? I have been made the new king. Your father's marriage to Woodville has been declared illegal by Parliament.
Looks up the princes. The rumours spread. The nobler Lancastrians are all dead, and who am I to take on leadership of Lancaster?
And do you really think you can best me? You petulant little boy! I fought my entire life!
I can but try.
No, I think you will die! Lord Stanley, no!
Lord Stanley, no!
I feel
Very good.
I have always been a Yorkist, but when my brothers enter the tower, they have never seen again. For their sake, my uncle and his armies. Many
Lord.
are as angry as I. On the battlefield, Lord Stanley, one of Richard's most important supporters, turned against him.
Lord Stanley,
Thank you,
what
my
are you
lord.
doing?
Would be the moment that changed our nation's future forever.
Lord
Stanley!
Stanley, your aid is greatly appreciated.
You are a traitor! You've been a part of this family for a century!
House of Lancaster, House of York, now is the time to unite against a true traitor of our country.
I will do it myself. Give me your horse!
Give him no escape.
Come on! Get off! Get off! Give me your horse!
Go, my lord. We will deal with him. Together.
Fine. I'll take you on foot. Squire, give me your blade.
Drive him back.
Yes, my lord. Very
Now.
well.
Charge.
I'll take you all.
Thank you, brother.
Careful, Squire! Careful, my lord! Get back! Let me out! Now! Quickly, Squire! Now! With me as one!
I shall hold his escape.
Together!
You are finished, Richard.
Surround him!
Let us end this.
I don't need an army. I am of royal blood, a protagonist. My lord!
It is over, Richard. Please give us the crown.
No! I would rather die than see my crown in the hands of a nobody.
Then so be it.
Yeah!
Lancaster, York, we finish this now.
Yes, my lord! This is what's best
Together.
for our country.
As one. Elizabeth. I'm sorry.
The king is dead. Long live the king! Long live the king! Long live the king! Long live
Soldiers, take him away.
Yes, my king.
May you find peace in your next life, Richard. For you found none in this one. Honorable people of the House of York, the time for war is over. Our enemy is slain. We grow tired. If I were to choose a Yorkist bride, I could put an end to the war. What say you? What say you? So be it. And so for one final time as they leave the arena, please put your hands together for the Knights of Middle England. Huzzah! Lord Stanley riding Stormy.
Riding Rob and Adira.
Our Tudor trick rider Crystal riding Chieftain.
And the Duke of Somerset riding Picasso.
That was the javelin. Quite enjoyed that. Got some good shots. Don't know if it would be copyright music, but if you don't hear me sound, it's probably because of copyright and I have to mute it.
Sorry.
But overall, 9 out of 10. It reminded me a bit of Game of Thrones and other things as well.
Remember that they were a lot smaller back.
I'm sure you'll be alright napping days. I'm sure you'll be fast asleep because you're not doing that. That's cool, isn't it?
So this is the area of Warwick on top. On the second floor now of the castle. We were just up there and we're here. Is this where, what's it called, Joan of Arc? Is this where Joan of Arc was executed? That thing. Wow. That is Warwick Castle. If you guys did enjoy the video, let me know, and I will see you guys probably in the next video. I'm gonna have my twister, gonna head home, and hopefully this video, by the time I'm recording, hits tomorrow, because it's currently the 29th. I'm gonna just try and get out on the 30th. So if you guys enjoy it, let me know. See you in the next video.